Hey everybody, Damien Bush here with Berger-Seidle North America. I wanted to have a quick chat with you guys today about our new Pinkquilizer product on the market for muting those red tones that we see in red oak and other redwood species. Some main points about the product: it's a 50-50 equal parts of A and B mixture. The coverage rate is 800 to 1,000 square feet for 1 gallon of mixed product. When you mix both gallons together, you can go 1,600 square feet to 2,000 square feet. The recommended application tools are a care applicator, a trim pad, or a microfiber 5mm ultra slim roller. And today we're going to do a demonstration, show you how easy it is to apply. The dry time is 12 hours, and we know at the end of 12 hours you'll see a full reaction, and you can apply any Berger products on top. Any product that you have left over from the mixture that you didn't use can be used up to 2 weeks later. So now I'm going to agitate both part A and B, and I'm going to mix equal parts into the mix bucket where I will dunk the roller and apply onto the floor. I'm going to go cross grain to spread it, and then I'm going to go back with the grain to equalize. It's not mandatory. With the application of any kind of coating, you always just want to make sure that it's even. Don't leave heavy spots and don't leave thin spots.